my channel. It's your girl Valentine XO coming to you with another video, and yes, today I'm bringing you this smoky-eyed kind of red lip combo. It's more of a natural smoky eye, to be honest. I got the idea for this look right here. This picture is from Vogue 2012. Rihanna blessed the cover for it, and I wanted to do something kind of like that look. So yeah, if you want to get the deets on this look right here, yeah, keep watching. Alright, so now I have you guys a little bit closer. I promise my lips aren't ashy. I'm going to work on my eyes. So I'm going to start off by putting a base on my eyes. I'm going to use my MAC concealer to do so. So now that the base is done, I'm going to be setting it in place, and I'm going to use the infamous brown palette that everyone has and their mama has and everybody has. It's the Morphe 350 palette. I'm going to set it with this brown right here. Alright, and now I'm going to gradually get darker and darker with the brown, so it's just going to be a lot of repeating over and going over the same spots. For my transitioning color, I'm going to go in with this color right here. Then I'm going to go in with this color right here. And I'm going to go into this color right here. I gotta really add in some brown here. So I'm going to go in with this color right here. And then for my lid, because I can't leave that by itself, I'm gonna go in with this color right here. I'm gonna go in with this little blush and go in with the darkest brown that I have, and focus that on that corner. Holy shit. Now we're going to basically work on the bottom lash line. And we have to switch to like smaller brushes now. So I'm going to take this color right here. And then for my lower lash line, I'm not going to line it like a normal person. I take one of these little sponge applicators, and I take my liquid liner and I put it on the tips of it. And that is how I line my lower lash line. And I'm going to go back on top and kind of make the liner a little bit messy, a little bit more smoky. Alright, and now I'm going to add some false lashes. Okay, and now it's time to add mascara, and I'm going to use Maybelline's Big Shot Mascara. Alright, so now that the eye look is done, it's time to work on the main important part of the look, which is the lips. Alright, so I tried lining my lips, it did not work out, so I'm just going to line it with a brown lip liner. And then I'm going to take Milani's Best Red, the perfect red lipstick, and put that on top. Alright, so I put the Milani Red, Best Red on top, but then I felt like it's not exactly what I wanted. So on top of that, I'm going to take Avenue by ColourPop. Alright, so this is the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed this smoky-eyed red lip combo for Valentine's Day. It's a really cute look. Thank you so much for tuning in to another video. I hope you guys enjoyed. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. The subscribe should be on this side or this side, whichever one. Yeah, thank you so much for tuning in to another video. I hope you guys enjoyed. Bye. Mwah.